Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week is just going to be like a simple video, just gonna take you guys through my week as an artist. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you haven't subscribed, why you not subscribed? Just subscribe, come on, just subscribe already. So started the week off with a paint party on Sunday. If you don't know, I have my second business, which is basically just me doing paint parties. I do have like a separate, business strategy name even for it, just because I like to keep it separate. But I've been doing this since about 2018. Finally made the separate Instagram page and everything for it in 2020 or 2021. But yeah, I had my sister with me. We set up this paint party. The food was good, the treats was good, the people were fun. It was her birthday party. She did it real nice, real big, had people come in with some decor. She had a bartender in the back. She made some mocktails for us. They were so good. They had the smoke coming out and everything. But yeah, we just, we made some abstract pieces and it was really fun. So, most times I have myself on a schedule, but then, life happens, or I might have an event, or there's just like something that I need to do. But today I am just like working from home. This is my Notion. It keeps me on track and stuff. So I have to package a couple orders today. I don't usually pack like all my orders because I use drop shipping, but oh my gosh. I don't usually pack all my orders because I do drop shipping, but my paint party kits, I ship that myself because like I draw all the canvases and stuff, so I have to do that. I have to finish a painting.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
And I have to start doing the emailing and like the newsletter for my new event that I'm trying to have in March for Women's History Month. Paint. I have to post today about just like a little teaser for my March paint party, get the people amped up because I haven't done a paint party since the last year. I'm lying, I do paint parties like every month, but my own paint party that I host, I haven't done one since like last year because I moved out like around March and then things got like kind of hectic. I had to focus on a lot of other stuff, so I really just didn't like put the time out there to host my own events anymore. And I really love hosting my own events. I just like love curating the vibes, the decor, like the painting space and everything. And I said this before, but honestly, paint parties, paint sips, they really don't even be about the painting. It just be about like people coming together, having fun, expressing themselves through creativity, music, food, of course, because who don't like food? But I'm so happy to be doing this again. I'm kind of just like trying to steer through like self-doubt and like overthinking, because like when I haven't done something in a while, my mind will tell me like, oh Zainab, are you sure you should be doing that? Oh, maybe you should just stick to what you know, focus your time on something else. What if a lot of people don't show up? What if it doesn't turn out great? When I literally have receipts on such great events, you know what I'm saying? But because it's been like a year, my mind will tell me like all this BS, like why does this happen to anybody? Like why is that? Anyway, it's gonna be all that in a bag of chips because it's thrown by me. But yeah, I just wanted to have this because it's March, it's Women's History Month. It's right before Ramadan, I want to get like focused before Ramadan. So this is probably going to be the first week, not probably because I know the date already. It is going to be the first week of March when I come back from my trip. Hopefully I can take you guys through all that planning and like getting stuff for the event as well. I'm probably gonna do at the venue that I already did last year because it's nice, it's intimate, it's reliable. I don't like really, for my own events, I don't like hosting these huge things because one, I have social anxiety and I'm the host, so those two don't go together. I don't really want like a lot of people there, but like I like when it's intimate, like people have space to like be themselves, only like 25-30 people max there, engage, have fun and stuff. I gotta make like this mood board for the treats and the decor. Gotta get the estimates. What else does my Notion tell me to do? Gotta email my tax man because it's tax season. That's pretty much it. So let's get into it.
Okay, y'all, so quick little fun fact about me. The more I overthink a painting or have too many ideas for it or over sketch it or plan it too much on my iPad, the more I wait for it to be perfect, and it's probably going to be a picture that takes me too long to finish just because I see the potential of it and I'm scared I'm going to mess it up. And even though I know I can paint, I'm just like, I don't know if this is going to match what's in my head. And this is what that painting has become. So to this day, it's not finished. I hope it will be finished by this week. And y'all, it's March. But she's just so pretty. And I'm like, I don't know the vision that I have for her in my head. It's not there yet. So we'll see. So typically early in the morning, I like to get the painting out the way, listen to my music or podcast or whatever, because it gets me amped up. And then I work on boring administrative work, as you can see. These are just some paint party kits that I was shipping out. I think this girl, she actually DM'd me. She just wanted the canvases only for her paint party. I hope she sent me those pictures because this look like it's going to be a lot of fun. Because the pictures is banging and they look good, of course. I just came from the grocery store and I'm just going on a rant. Whole lot of negativity, don't need to be in the video, but Fresh Grocers, just know y'all need to count your days. Okay. So today we are just looking at a couple venues. I had some appointments to go view some spaces. This is the first venue. Loved it. But the biggest issue was how you can see like the space isn't as wide. It's an intimate space, which is what I wanted, but it's not as wide. And I do not want like my guests just, I don't want to do the, is it called a dinner table or cocktail table or something? I don't want to do that way. And then, my guests is squished. No, we're going to paint comfortably. Okay. Because we want people to come back. Anyway, this is venue number 2. And this is the venue that I'm going with. It's really nice. I was really surprised because he had called me and had to walk me through the building. And I'm like, hold up. I never done this before. But basically, it's what Airbnbs do. They talk you through the space. They got the little doorbell key and all that. He told me that they just had an event there. So that's why it kind of looks like this. Sidebar, you can always tell when a man has decorated a space. And that's all I'm going to say. The space has a lot of potential. I like the little stage. I think he said it's like 8 tables or whatever. A lot of, pluses, amenities and stuff. I was, mapping up the space as I was there. You can change the lights and the colors and everything. It's real nice. It was in my budget. So that's what we're going to go with. So I didn't film anything for Friday. Not much was going on. Saturday, I was just live painting this new piece from scratch at Voices in Power, one of my favorite poetry events.
We know you guys are probably tired of the men ain't shit poems. However, we promise you that we are much more tired of being treated this way than you are of hearing it.
The only time I've experienced a peace of mind is when I wasn't awake. It's my
Said my skin was dirty, officer. She has a violent history against black women, and you would just...
not sure I'll survive another trip inside my mind. Let me rephrase. I won't survive another trip outside my mind, only at this time. Let me rephrase. won't trip if you stay outside my mind, but if you make your way inside, then I'm not sure that I'll survive. Let me rephrase. I won't trip if you stay outside my mind, but if you make your way inside, then I'm not sure that I'll survive. Let me rephrase. If you come inside my life at this exact moment, place, and time.